Here's how you can make
The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza absolutively.
from Spongebob.
First bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun. In that order.
I smell a lot of mustard, man.
All right, salute. Cheers.
It's actually not bad once you taste the cheese.
Exactly. And I thought the mustard would have been overpowering, but it really isn't.
Initially, it is a lot of mustard and pickles, but then the cheese kind of mellows it out.
Yeah. It is super mushy though. Interesting touch though is with the bread being put on top. It gives it a nice crunch.
Okay, out of 10, what is this?
6.5, maybe a 7, pushing it.
I think 7's pushing it. I was going to go for around a 6.2, maybe like a 5.8. Okay, but would you put this on the menu?
No. Sorry.